trees can knock our flowers off, and you don't want that because it does produce more pods for us. So to be very careful and very cautious when we walk around the cacao trees. So if you guys all want to come in and have everyone line up right up against this panics here, try to get as much shade as you guys can. But right behind me is a bunch of our cacao trees that are right here. But that doesn't mean that all 100 pods will grow on our trees. Like citrus trees, you have to harvest the fruits off the tree so the tree can still focus on the fruits that are still in the tree and give it all its nutrients. With cacao plants, it does a natural selection on its own. If I literally rub my fingers up on these flowers, I'll knock these flowers right off the tree. But our flowers do need to pollinate to produce more pods. So what do you think is our pollinators for our flowers here? Bees. So bees are actually trees that we're growing here to shade our trees in the direct sunlight and also to enrich our soil. But if you guys want to follow me on this way. So just on that tree, so we have a nice bright one right there. That was that dark green that's turned into that yellow. We also got a couple green. Chocolates. So that's why we use the Ecuador beans for all of our flavored bars. And this is the last bar that you guys will be trying on this row. So this is using the 65% Ecuador beans. This is our OMG bar.